Best 3-prong power cords ensure safe, reliable power delivery, replacing damaged cables while supporting stable performance for computers, monitors, printers, and appliances. My today's video is about top 5 best 3-prong power cords that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at GE3 Outlet Flat Extension Cord 8 feet. The GE3 Outlet Extension Cord is a practical solution for anyone needing additional power access without sacrificing safety or convenience. Its 3 grounded outlets allow you to connect multiple devices from a single wall outlet, making it ideal for home offices, entertainment centers, bedrooms, or workstations. The durable 8-foot, 16 AWG cord provides ample reach for lamps, laptops, chargers, fans, and other household electronics, reducing the need to rearrange furniture. The low-profile flat plug fits neatly behind desks and cabinets, while the angled design keeps the second wall outlet accessible for added flexibility. Rated for indoor use with a 125 VAC, 13A, 1625W capacity and backed by UL safety certification, it delivers dependable everyday performance. Built by GE, a trusted leader in power accessories, this extension cord combines quality construction, thoughtful design, and reliable operation, making it an excellent choice for organizing and powering multiple devices safely and efficiently. Now our second product is Rebuild Skills UL approved 6-foot universal power cord. This bulk pack 3-prong power cord is an excellent choice for IT departments, businesses, schools, and data centers that require dependable, standardized power connections across multiple devices. Featuring a universal IEC 60320C13 to NEMA 5-15P design with durable 18 AWG wiring, it works seamlessly with desktop computers, monitors, printers, servers, projectors, scanners, and other enterprise equipment. The UL-approved construction, grounded 3-prong plug, and 10A/300V rating ensure safe, reliable operation in demanding professional environments where uptime matters. Its flexible yet rugged build simplifies cable routing in server racks, office workstations, and tight installation spaces while providing consistent power delivery. The multi-pack format helps organizations reduce procurement costs, streamline inventory management, and maintain uniform cabling standards across large deployments. Whether replacing aging power cords or equipping new workstations, this solution delivers long-lasting durability, enterprise-grade reliability, and the convenience of bulk purchasing, making it a smart investment for professional IT infrastructure and everyday commercial use. Our third product is Lordtronic's 3-prong AC laptop power cord 5 feet. This 3-prong IEC C5 power cord is a dependable replacement for worn or damaged laptop power cables, offering reliable performance for everyday home and office use. Its universal cloverleaf connector is compatible with many laptops, monitors, printers, scanners, and other devices that use IEC C5 power adapters, making it a versatile addition to your workspace. Constructed from high-quality materials, the cable is designed to withstand daily use while providing a secure and stable power connection. The 5-foot, 1.5 m length offers convenient flexibility, allowing you to position your equipment comfortably without unnecessary cable strain. Installation is simple. Just connect the NEMA 5-15P plug to a standard wall outlet and attach the C5 connector to your device's power adapter. Whether replacing a lost cable or keeping a spare on hand, this power cord delivers dependable power, durable construction, and broad compatibility, making it an excellent value for both personal and professional computing environments. Now number 4, Brendaz Universal PC Power Cord. This replacement 3-prong AC power cord is a reliable solution for powering desktop computers, monitors, printers, scanners, HD TVs, speakers, projectors, and other devices that use an IEC 320C13 connection. Its universal compatibility with popular brands like Dell, Acer, Asus, LG, and Vizio makes it an excellent replacement for worn, damaged, or misplaced power cables. Built with durable 18 AWG wire, The cord is designed to provide stable and consistent power for everyday use while standing up to frequent handling. UL listed and CSA approved, it meets strict safety standards with a 125V/10A rating, giving users confidence in both performance and protection. The standard NEMA 5-15P plug connects easily to wall outlets, while the IEC-C13 connector fits securely into compatible equipment. Whether organizing a clean workstation with matching cable lengths or replacing an aging cord, this power cable delivers dependable performance, quality construction, and long-lasting value for home, office, and professional environments. And our last choice is Seekli's 16/3 black extension cord 6 feet indoor. This 6-foot 16 AWG extension cord delivers dependable power and durability, making it an excellent choice for everyday home and office use. Built with pure copper conductors, it provides a stable 13A, 125V, and 1625W power capacity, ensuring reliable performance for coffee makers, fans, laptops, televisions, juicers, and other household electronics. ETL certification adds confidence that the cord meets recognized safety standards. Its reinforced strain relief design has been tested through more than 2,000 bends, helping prevent wire damage and ensuring a secure, long-lasting connection. The rounded plug construction improves durability by resisting impacts and everyday wear, while the non-slip grip makes plugging and unplugging quick and effortless. Despite its rugged build, the cord remains flexible, making it easy to route around furniture or organize in workspaces without tangling. With its ideal 6-foot length, this extension cord offers the perfect balance of reach, safety, and convenience, making it a practical and reliable power solution for daily indoor applications. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.